Hi guys, once again welcome to my channel. So first of all I want to start with this beautiful December spread calendar that I did and the quote. Unfortunately I don't have a video how I did it, but you will see in short time I will do something similar to it so I can actually show you how I made this one. So for those who are following me, I apologize from the bottom of my heart that I am late, and you can actually see this post on my Instagram page that you are very welcome to visit. So as we continue, I am using my reflecting tape, which is, you saw it in the beginning, it's like a big piece that I cut it, and the same goes for the golden one, which I am obsessed about it. Like all this month of the December I will just use gold because it's holidays and everywhere is shiny, everywhere is so beautiful. So I decided also to go a little bit with the gold shine in my spreads. So as we continue, I am putting the calendar, which it didn't turn out so good, but like I said before, I am not so very good in hand lettering and I am still learning. This is my first bullet journal, but the point is I really love to create something. I really love to cut. Since since I remember myself, I was doing diary, I was always cutting something, and it's just part of what I love. And most of it I like to experiment with things that usually nobody would. So whatever I can get inspired from something, I would just grab the opportunity and do it. So as I go in, I circle the December. Now I'm putting just some shadowing, and as you can see, when I do mistake, I'm just going back with the black pen and fixing it. I just did like a little bit. I didn't want to go back again with the white gel pen because I just want a little bit shadow, not too much, because already around the December you have this like whitish shadow. And then I decided to go with this, I don't know actually how they are called, Christmas tree balls. I am apologizing, I don't have the right words for them, but I hope I will find out very soon. And this is basically how I did this December winterish thing. So as I move on, I am going one more time to the calendar. I write December, but later on you will see what happened with that December. It will not be there. I decided to go with something else. It felt like so whitish to me, so I decided to change it. Like you can see, my December columns, they are not so equal, even though I used the ruler. They didn't turn out to be how I was planning, but still I think it's okay. I will tap myself on the shoulder because, like I said, it's my first bullet journal. I did something similar to this, but I cannot actually call it a bullet journal. So as I continue, I decided to go with one quote in the bottom, and it will be like you can see, "Hello winter," and Just to let you know, guys, most of my quotes that you will see that I am doing, I actually copy them. Right now I am looking to something else where it's saying hello winter and it's in this style, and I am trying to copy the font because I am really bad in hand lettering. I just don't have this focus or where letters should be. I think this is just a lack of practice. I hope in time I will master the hand lettering. Let's see. I think I spent more than half an hour just doing the December quote. And thumbs up to me, this is actually my hand lettering, which I am proud of. But the white gel pen was just mixing with the color, the black color, and it was not going the right way. But later I sat down, I went through it easily, maybe 10 times over. I went white to be how I want it to be. Because just to write plain on the white paper, December, it looks to me like it's missing something, so I decided to go with black and white. So as I'm continuing, next to my calendar, I will put ideas, goals for YouTube, and the same goes to Instagram, ideas and goals. I just started my channel, I just launched my Instagram account, and I am pretty hyped about all of it. So I want to kind of motivate myself to put more ideas. I want to motivate myself to put goals. But now I am going back to my title, and even though I liked in the end how it turned out, I just wanted to add some little bit gold color. So I decided to cut 2 short golden stripes, which I glue on, and then the cosmetic parts, cut it off, glue it on, and I think it's just looking beautiful. I really loved it. I loved it so much more than the just plain white paper with the title December with the black pen. So as we continue, I just add in the bottom down, I added believe in yourself, some kind of winterish leaves, and I think the spread was complete. I really love that. And I jump to the next page. The next page will actually be about self-care. I think it's one of the most important things in our lives to care about ourselves, and self-care doesn't necessarily mean that you are selfish. So here I will actually kind of show you how I am covering my mistake, which I have so many. And here again I decided just to go with the golden. I said I'm guilty. I said I will go crazy with the gold, and probably more and more I will use this until basically I use everything, and because I think it's just beautiful. And again, this is my hand lettering, but it looks like I can do it also on my own something, right? But it's really taking so much time. I think the self-care probably I write 10 times on the paper until I like it. So let's not give up, let's just continue, right? So as I went to self-care, I divided it in two. One is for body and one is for mind. Oh, and something else about this journal, as you can see in the top, there is this big date, and in the bottom as well, and it's having lines, so many pages. I am just covering with white paper, with this gold paper, with pictures, or just all page I am covering with white paper. Depends what I am doing. I don't want actually to cover every single page with the white paper, like you can actually see here also in self-care. I will just cover some parts of it, add some quote, add some decor, and voila, the page is like new. Here I am adding the self-care for the mind, I am adding the self-care for the body. So we are going now to my last page for in this video. So the last page is a quote, simple one, love yourself, with just a few snowflakes. And okay, I am actually a liar. I again did the quote by myself, and the designing the outside I also did it by myself, which honestly usually my quotes that I do by myself, all ideas, all hand lettering, everything usually turns out not to be good. But in this one, for the first time that I am doing something like this, I am actually pretty satisfied, and I think it really turned out so nice. In the camera I don't think you can actually see it, but live it's really so shiny and it's so beautiful. So guys, happy December, enjoy your holidays. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.